Hi, welcome to CheqUp. We know that receiving your Mounjaro pen creates a mix of excitement and nervousness. Some of our customers jump straight in, others need a bit of help. So today I'm going to show you how to safely use your Mounjaro pen step by step. Let's have a quick look at what's in the box. Inside you'll find the following: a weight loss medication pen, which contains 4 doses, one to be taken each week. Each pen therefore lasts 1 month. There's a pack of needles, a helpful booklet with information on your medication, plus an ice pack that helps keep your medication cool in the post. Don't worry if that's melted. Your medication is fine at room temperature for several weeks. Sometimes we change the design or packaging of our boxes, so don't worry if yours looks a bit different to this one. Always start by washing your hands thoroughly. Step 1. To start, remove the cap from the pen and keep it to one side. Next, check the expiry date, the dose strength and the colour of the medication. It should be colourless to slightly yellow and should not be frozen or cloudy. Step 2. Take a wipe and clean the top of your pen. Step 3. Take 1 needle from the pack, remove the paper cover and attach it to the pen. Then remove the plastic cap and the inner cap to expose the needle. Please make sure the needle is straight. You mustn't prime or use the pen without a needle in it, otherwise it will break. Step 4. Before you use the pen, you'll need to prime it. This basically means that you're removing air from the cartridge before the first dose. Turn the dose knob until you hear 2 clicks and the first long line appears in the dose window. This is the prime position. With the needle pointing upwards, tap the cartridge gently to collect air bubbles at the top. You then want to release a tiny bit of medication to clear the air bubbles from the pen. To do this, press the knob for 5 seconds, at which stage the 0 icon will be shown in the dose window. Repeat this process until you see a small drop of liquid appearing at the tip of the needle. The pen is now primed and ready to use. You will need to do this before each dose. Step 5. Choose a place to inject. This could be your stomach, thigh or upper arm. Clean the area with a wipe and let it dry, and don't forget to rotate your injection sites each time you use the pen. Step 6. When you're ready for your first dose, twist the knob all the way back until the number 1 appears in the dose window. You have to unscrew quite a lot further than you think. You're now ready to inject. When you've chosen your injection site, pinch your skin and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Now, for demo purposes, I'm going to use an orange for this next bit. Push down the plunger all the way until the number 0 appears again in the dose window. Hold the needle in place for 10 seconds for the full dose to be administered. Check the dose window has reset to 0. This is confirmation that the full dose has been administered. Step 7. After injecting, reapply the plastic cap to the needle, take the needle off, then dispose of it safely in a sharps container. After use, put the cap back on the pen and store it somewhere safe. It doesn't need to be in the fridge, just make sure that it isn't kept anywhere that exceeds 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's it. You're all set. If you have any questions, please visit our website or contact help@chequp.com.